Welcome to week 4 and an opportunity for you to come and join us on some of our workshops or to join us in our community space. This week's highlights, of course, include our regular Twitter chat, 10 things I wish I'd known. An opportunity for you to share 10 things that perhaps you wish you'd known at the start of your PhD or to learn about things that others wish they'd shared or wish they'd known. Do join us. If you want to know more about how to join a Twitter chat, do have a look on our channel where we've done a quick how-to video for you. Other highlights this week include 7 steps to completion, and for those of you who are beginning to think about the end of your PhD, we're running our Surviving Your Viva session. For those of you who are perhaps in the middle parts of your PhD, we have 7 steps to completion. This week's Accelerator Series workshops include research management. We're running that in the evening and also as a daytime session, and research planning 101. I'll be running my drop-in session for you to come and talk to me, so do make sure that you book a slot with me if you have something that you'd like to discuss around your research.